Ready for a wild day? Come with me to the zoo. Let's learn the words you need. Ticket. This little card is my way into a whole day of animals. Map. This shows me exactly where every animal is hiding. Entrance gate. The big doorway where every visit begins. Safari tour. A ride that takes us right into the animal's open habitat. Giraffe, the tallest animal here, with a neck long enough to reach the treetops. Zebra, famous for its black and white stripes. No two patterns are ever the same. Elephant, the biggest land animal, using its trunk like a hand and a hose. Lion, known as the king of the savannah. Just listen to that roar. Herd, a big group of animals that live and travel together for safety. Savannah, this whole open grassland is home to them all. Next stop, the aquarium. Aquarium, a building full of tanks where we can see sea animals up close. Tank, the big glass container that holds the water and the animals inside. Dolphin, one of the smartest and most playful animals in the whole ocean. Shark, don't worry, this tunnel keeps us perfectly safe to admire it up close. Penguin, it can't fly, but just watch how fast it swims underwater. Jellyfish, it has no bones at all, just glows and drifts through the water. Sea turtle, calm, slow, and can live for over 100 years. Feeding show, the best time to watch keepers care for the animals up close. Look at them go! Good job! Who's next? Splash zone. Sit here if you don't mind getting a little wet. Whoa, look at that splash! Aquarium. So much life under the water. Next stop, the reptile house. Reptile house, home to all the scaly, slithery animals of the zoo. Snake, it has no legs at all, but it can still move incredibly fast. Slither, the smooth, wavy way a snake moves without any legs. Lizard, it loves lying under warm light to soak up the heat. Chameleon, famous for changing its color to blend into its surroundings. Crocodile, it looks completely still, but it can move shockingly fast when it wants to. scales, the small, hard, overlapping pieces that cover a reptile's skin. Tortoise. It lives on land, moves slowly, and can live for a very long time. Terrarium. A small glass home built to copy an animal's natural habitat. Reptile house, scaly, slithery, and full of surprises. Next stop, the primates. Primate Kingdom, home to all the zoo's monkeys, apes, and their relatives. Monkey, quick, clever, and almost always moving around the branches. Swing, the fun back and forth way monkeys move from branch to branch. Gorilla, the largest primate here, gentle and calm most of the time. Chimpanzee, one of our closest animal relatives, smart enough to use tools. Troop, the special word for a group of monkeys living together. Grooming, how monkeys clean each other's fur and show they care. Habitat, the space built to look and feel just like an animal's real home. Banana, a favorite snack for monkeys, and always a fun moment to watch. Primate Kingdom, so clever, so playful. Next stop, the bird aviary. Bird aviary, a huge covered space where birds can fly around freely. Parrot, famous for its bright colors and for copying the sounds it hears. Flamingo, pink, graceful, and somehow always balanced on just one leg. Owl, quiet, watchful, and known for turning its head almost all the way around. Perch, the branch or bar a bird stands and rests on. Flock, a big group of birds flying and moving together as one. Feather, the light, soft covering that helps a bird fly and stay warm. Nest, the cozy little home a bird builds to rest and raise its babies. Wing, the part a bird spreads wide to lift off and soar through the sky. What a day! We saw the savannah, swam through the aquarium, met the reptiles, laughed with the primates, and flew with the birds. If you learned something new today, hit like and subscribe for more English lessons with me. I'll see you in the next video.